Welcome to MooMooMath and Science. Let's go over how to convert this fraction 2/32 into a decimal. And 2/32 is used quite a bit in measuring with if you have a ruler or a tape measure. So let's get started. We're going to divide the numerator by the denominator. So let's go ahead and just write a 2 and a 32 on the outside. And let's add some placeholders because we're going to need them. Okay, 32 is larger than 2, so that's going to be a 0 because it can't go into that. I'm going to move the decimal up. And it's larger than 20, so I'm going to move this 0 up. But it's not larger than 200. So now 32 goes into 200 6 times. And 6 times 32 is 192. Okay, now let's subtract. I'm going to have to borrow a 10 from here, so that becomes a 1. This becomes a 9. 0, that's now a 10 right here. 10 minus 2 is 8, and 9 minus 9 is 0, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So now let's bring this 0 down. So now how many times will 32 go into 80? And it goes into 32 2 times. And 2 times 32 is 64. When you subtract that, you get 16. Bring down another 0. And 32 goes into 165 times. 5 times 32 is 160. And that's 0, 0, 0. So now 2/32 is 0.625 as a fraction. I hope that was helpful.